Picture this. You slide into the driver's seat of a sleek electric sedan that feels like it was born for both city streets and open highways. The 2025 BMW i3 isn't just another EV, it's the reinvention of the classic 3 Series in a fully electric package built on BMW's all-new Neue Klasse platform. As you settle in, the cabin welcomes you with a giant curved display that blends the instrument cluster and infotainment into one seamless interface, and eco-friendly materials. Think recycled plastics and natural fiber accents that give it a modern, upscale vibe you won't find in most gas-guzzling competitors. Turn your attention to the exterior, and it's clear BMW hasn't lost its sense of style. The signature kidney grille is closed off for aerodynamics, framed by slim LED headlights that look like focused eyes on the road. Flush door handles pop out when you need them and disappear when you don't, helping the i3 slice through the air with a drag coefficient designed to maximize range. The roofline swoops gently toward the rear, hinting at a fastback silhouette, while a subtle spoiler at the back lends a sporty edge. Every line, every curve screams both efficiency and elegance. But of course, looks are only half the story. Under the sculpted hood, the i3 offers multiple powertrain options to match different driving styles. The base rear-wheel drive version with a single electric motor is expected to put out around 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. In real terms, that means a 0 to 60 sprint in about 5 to 6 seconds, all while delivering up to 400 miles of EPA estimated range on its rumored 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack. If you crave more urgency, the dual-motor all-wheel drive model, think of it as the i3X Drive, could boost output into the 400 to 500 horsepower range, slicing that 0 to 60 time down to around 4 seconds. And for the ultimate thrill, an M-branded variant might push closer to 600 horsepower with sub-4 second acceleration and a top speed electronically limited near 150 miles per hour. Charging that big battery is a breeze thanks to an 800-volt architecture that supports fast charging speeds north of 200 kilowatts. Plug into a compatible DC fast charger and you can go from 10% to 80% in roughly 20 to 30 minutes. Perfect timing for a coffee break. At home, the onboard 11 kilowatt AC charger fills the pack overnight, so you wake up to a full battery every morning. BMW's range planning software factors in elevation changes, traffic, and even weather, so you can map out a trip without ever worrying if you'll make it. Inside, the tech wizardry continues. The next-gen iDrive system, rumored to be called iDrive X, runs on a curved 14.9-inch touchscreen that's crisp, responsive, and intuitive. Google Maps, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto come standard, and over-the-air updates mean your car keeps getting smarter long after you drive it off the lot. A 5G connection and built-in Wi-Fi hotspot keep passengers entertained, while the My BMW app lets you precondition the cabin, check charging status, or even lock and unlock remotely. Safety is baked into the DNA of the i3. Adaptive cruise control with steering assist and lane-keeping features give you level 2 plus autonomy, handling highway drudgery with ease. BMW has hinted at level 3 capability, essentially letting the car handle driving in certain conditions once regulations catch up. Standard active safety technologies like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and cross-traffic alerts aim for top IIHS and Euro NCAP ratings. And because every piece of the Neue Klasse platform is designed for EVs from the ground up, the i3 boasts a reinforced battery housing that doubles as a rigid safety cell. Of course, all this innovation comes at a price. The base rear-wheel drive model is expected to start around $50,000, putting it in the same neighborhood as the Tesla Model 3 and Polestar 2. Move up to the all-wheel drive version and you'll land closer to $60,000 to $70,000, while the high-powered M variant could push into the mid-$80,000 range. Option packages for premium audio, think Harman Kardon or Bowers & Wilkins, and lavish leather or vegan upholstery can add a few thousand more, but they'll transform that minimalist cabin into a rolling concert hall and luxury lounge. When it comes to competition, the 2025 i3 has its work cut out. The Tesla Model 3 performance hits 60 miles per hour in about 3.1 seconds for under $56,000 and offers a 341-mile range, but many drivers miss the tactile BMW steering feel and premium interior finishes. The Mercedes-Benz EQE sedan starts at $74,900 with a 302-mile range and sumptuous cabin, but its heavier weight impacts agility. Audi's A6 e-tron Sportback delivers up to 392 miles and blistering acceleration, yet doesn't quite match BMW's driving dynamics or seat-of-the-pants engagement. Even the Polestar 2, with its 320-mile range and sharp design, can't claim the Neue Klasse's rumored 400-mile capability or the full depth of BMW's iBrand heritage. By the time you pull into your garage, you'll realize the 2025 BMW i3 is more than just another badge on the EV bandwagon. It's BMW's statement that electric cars can deliver genuine driving thrills, cutting-edge tech, and eco-conscious luxury all at once. Whether you're a city commuter navigating tight streets or a weekend adventurer carving canyon roads, the i3 promises to keep you smiling mile after silent mile. So what do you think? Could the 2025 BMW i3 be the electric sedan that finally checks all the boxes? Performance, range, luxury, and sustainability. Drop your thoughts below, hit like if you're excited for BMW's electric future, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest cars shaping tomorrow's roads. The EV revolution is here, and BMW's taking it to the next level.